What if I told you there is a way to unlock 500 streams of income with just one affiliate program? Stick around because today I'm going to show you why Impact is a game changer. If you are new to affiliate marketing or new to Impact, let me explain what it is. So Impact is a massive platform that has well over 500 different brands that you can work with through affiliate marketing. So you can either come to impact.com as a brand itself and have your own affiliate marketing program that you want to try to find affiliates to promote your product, or what we're going to talk about today is we're going to actually find brands to promote through Impact. So we're going to go to impact.com and we're going to scroll down a little bit and you're going to see two different avenues you can take. So one, you can sign up where it says affiliate for brands. So again, that's going to be like your companies like your Nike, your Adidas, your bigger brand names that have an affiliate program that are looking for affiliates like you and I to sign up for. Or you can be an affiliate and you can sign up for what they call a partner. So basically you're partnering in affiliate marketing. So that's what we're going to do. So we're going to click on affiliate for partners right here. All you have to do is come down here halfway and click on get started today. And then it's going to bring you to the sign up form. So you can either sign up with your email, just a regular old email, Gmail, whatever, or you can choose any one of these. So Apple, Facebook, Google, X, LinkedIn. So they have a wide variety of ways that you can authenticate or create your account. Okay, once you get signed up with your email address and you get logged in, this is going to be your main dashboard that you're going to look at. So at the very top left corner here, we're going to see your account and then how many brands that you've partnered with, what the actual brand is. Let's go and see if we can find some brands here. So we're going to click on Discover and click on Find Brands. And what this is going to do is it's going to give us the full list of brands. So if you have an idea of a brand and you want to search for it, you find something like Namecheap, which is a domain marketplace. If you wanted to actually promote this brand right here and become an affiliate for the brand, all you'd have to do is click on Apply. Once you click on Apply, you're going to see a pop-up window come up and it's going to say Apply to Namecheap. And then at the very bottom, it's going to give you a little box, a little description box where you can type in why do you think you're a good fit to promote this brand? So you just kind of type in there, what is your social media following? What's your website, your blog, that kind of thing. How can you promote Namecheap and how are you going to drive traffic to their affiliate offers? Now, once you apply for the brand that you would like to, you can actually go up here to the top menu right here, click on pre-qualified. And what this is going to give you is they have a list within Impact of all the pre-qualified affiliate programs that you can join. So you don't actually have to apply for them. You're pre-approved to join them. So if you scroll down, you can find something that you like or that you've heard of that you want to promote, and all you have to do is hit the same thing. So instead of apply, you would hit join. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to watch this video coming up next that talks about the 7 laziest side hustles for the year 2025.